Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Paylocity account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want, and on the search URL type in paylocity.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to the official website of Paylocity. Now, in order to log into your account, as you can see at the top of this interface, there is a menu bar with bunch of menus such as login, contact, investors, accessibility. From there, click on login and you will land on login page. Here at the left hand side, you will get a form. There, first of all, enter your company ID. Under that, enter your username. You have to enter the username associated with your account, and under that again enter your correct password. If you want to recheck your password, you can simply click on this show option right here and correct your password. Now, if you want to save your username on this device, for the next time you log in, click on this checkbox that says remember my username. In case you forgot your password, you can simply recover if you click on this link provided that says forget password, or if you haven't registered your account yet, you can simply register as well by clicking on this register new user option. Now once you're done typing in your ID, username and password, simply click on login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your Paylocity account. So that's how you can simply log into Paylocity account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.